the last video of the winch install. So I've got it all put in. It's all set up, works pretty good. Got the remote. I will tell you, the winch plate itself, get a good view. Yeah, there it is. So here's your winch plate. You've got a bolt screw right here where my finger's at. Those right there are extremely difficult to get to. What little instructions from Super ATV said to use a extension and a swivel. That was tough enough. It took me about an hour and a half to get that winch plate installed. I lost a nut, this bottom first nut here underneath this front differential. Spent 20 minutes trying to fish it out. So that was a little setback. But as you can see, it's all right there. I will say the fair lead on the front, you've got a plate. Let's see if I can get it underneath there. This is an adjustable hole right here. I will say put this plate all the way forward. I found that out the hard way because I tried to get the winch on there. Then it said use the hardware from the original winch, but it didn't tell you which hardware, so I just kind of guessed and used whatever fit the best. But I've got that all installed. Got my windshield installed. The wireless remote works, so I'm good there. I will tell you on this, talked about we installed these two screws, not specifically these two, but the screws on this other side, you'll see. I'll show you over here. Hope you see that one right there. You can see this little blue on there. I lost that screw and that screw on the first test drive down the road. So I'm gonna have to call a Super ATV and get another one of those screws. They both backed out, I don't know how, but I pulled all the screws out and put Loctite on them. So that's all sit there. I've got my mount for my GPS and we're done. Works good.